When you see a Crum Exteriors crew on your home, you can trust the work being done every time. Whether it's our in-house team or one of our longtime subcontractor partners, the standards never change. Our primary roofing crew has been with us for more than 15 seasons. They meet the same expectations, follow the same process, and take the same pride in their work that we do. Take care of your home now and pay your way with flexible financing options that fit your budget. Schedule your free estimate today and get started with Crum Exteriors. Quality work, proven partners, guaranteed results. We're Crum Exteriors. Call us today, 715-246-6090, or chat with us online to get started.